Welcome to the world of AI gadgets, where technology and convenience come together to make your life easier. Whether you're looking for something to make your home smarter or your job simpler, this video has it all. Let's meet the Duo Home AI computer, a groundbreaking innovation that will revolutionize your living space. This remarkable technology responds to touch and voice commands to handle your house and media. You can play music, stream media, turn on your lights, win games, and much more with 5 difficult points in voice activation. You can even get the most recent news and check the weather. And of course, you can modify the name, change the accent and gender, and make jokes with the AI module. This Duo is an all-in-one entertainment hub, home control hub, and the smartest mirror ever seen. Are you tired of struggling with unclear video conferences, inaudible voices, and cumbersome setup processes? The eMeet Meeting Capsule captures every speaker with its 1080p HD web camera featuring 360-degree AI tracking, autofocus, and face centering capturing algorithm. Thanks to the 8 omnidirectional microphone, every voice is crystal clear. Plus, the 10-watt hi-fi speaker ensures that every idea is delivered with pristine sound quality. But that's not all. It offers 5 versatile video display modes adaptable to your specific meeting needs. No need for complex app settings or Wi-Fi connections. It's incredibly easy to use. Dive into the EcoVax D-Bot T10 Omni, the ultimate answer to your cleaning needs. It vacuums and mops simultaneously with astonishing 5,000 PA suction power, leaving your floors spotless on any surface. Thanks to the AI VI 3.0, T10 knows what to avoid, preventing collisions and entanglements. Moreover, it features True Mapping 2.0 technology, using LiDAR and DTOF sensors inspired by self-driving cars for a more efficient thorough cleaning. Plus, you can control it with industry-leading Yaiko AI voice assistant and monitor your home in real time with 2-way video calls. This product will give you an experience you won't find anywhere else. Discover the next level of 3D audio innovation with the Razer Leviathan V2 Pro, the first PC soundbar with adaptive beamforming and head tracking AI in history. Thanks to the THX Spatio audio, you'll be able to experience unparalleled detail and realism. Furthermore, its tailored beamforming enhanced by its innovative spatial algorithms produce a true like-to-like 3D sound that combines headphone-like positional audio with the vast soundstage of a home theater. The soundbar automatically also detects your head using an inbuilt IR camera to beam sound straight to your ears, producing a dynamic sweet spot for ultra-personalized audio. Let's elevate your entertainment experience like never before. The Vuzix Blade smart glasses are a true marvel in wearable technology. They redefine what smart glasses can do with an autofocus HD camera, integrated stereo speakers featuring noise-canceling mics, and a full-color display in your right eye. They also boast self-contained AR technology with advanced waveguide optics, providing unparalleled hands-free mobile computing and connectivity experience. Besides, these smart glasses are ANSI Z87.1 certified for eye protection, ensuring your safety while helping you stay focused on your task. The wireless Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity further add to their brilliance. Experience the future today with Vuzix Blade smart glasses. Bolt range. Say hello to the future of cinematography with the Bolt high-speed Cinebot range. It captures impossible shots with the highest level of precision and repeatability. This range offers a trio of options, from compact and portable to larger, extensive reaching models, ensuring they meet all your creative requirements. You will have complete control over every camera move, ensuring precision and repeatability. Additionally, automated target tracking simplifies the most complex camera moves by defining your object's location in space. You will even have multiple camera mount options, including right, top, left, and in, making it incredibly flexible. It's a revolution! And if you like the list, then be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the like button. Now, let's find out more about the best AI gadgets. Welcome to the future with the Boston's dynamic Spot robot. Spot redefines the possibilities with its 360-degree perception and athletic intelligence, solving challenging robotic tasks effortlessly. Imagine your factory floors, construction sites, research labs, and more operating with unmatched resilience and insight. It provides valuable data on routine operations and potential hazards while keeping your team safe. And what's more, it's easy to use, allowing for both manual operations and autonomous missions, with pre-configured packages for inspections and hazardous responses, or the ability to customize with its 14-kilogram payload capacity and comprehensive documentation. Spot caters to your every need. Are you tired of the same old mundane routines in your coffee shop, bar, or kitchen? Look no further, Atom has your back. It can prepare hot or cold beverages with old or modern coffee equipment. Want a robot bartender that can mix cocktails with efficiency and precision and style that will impress your patrons? Atom's got you covered. Plus, its impeccable skills in making boba tea and serving as a skilled sous chef make it an invaluable addition to any establishment. Atom is also available for rent, guaranteeing a memorable experience as a bartender, barista, and so much more. The Meta Quest 3 is a technological marvel that redefines the boundaries of what's possible. It offers superior performance with more than twice the graphic processing capability of Quest 2. With mixed reality, you can transform your house into so much more. In addition, the Touch Plus controllers offer precision and intuitive interaction. You can even navigate with your hands alone. Thanks to its sleek, slim optic profile, it's built for comfort as well. You can also explore the world's greatest 500 plus immersive app collection to find your favorite content in gaming, fitness, wellness, entertainment, social experiences, and more. Do you ever wonder what's happening in your home when you're not there? Let's take a look at the Ring drone camera. It's your eye in the sky, your 24/7 guardian angel, and your window into your home, no matter where you are. It offers a 1440 by 1440 HD video feed with automatic LED lighting for crystal clear night vision. But it doesn't stop there. You can create your own flight paths to check in your home from any time. Concerned about privacy? Rest easy, as this camera only records during designated flight paths, ensuring your personal space is kept private and secure. Are you ready to experience 3D printing like never before? The Creality Ender 3 V3KE printer has a touchy UI with an intuitive tab bar that simplifies your creative process. Imagine the convenience of smart self-testing for Z offset and auto leveling, achieved with a single tap. It has a max speed of 500 ms per second and max acceleration of 8,000 ms per second squared. Moreover, this printer offers LAN and cloud printing, allowing you to control it via your PC or phone with the Creality Cloud app. The X-axis precision linear rail includes a carriage slide with ball bearings, which makes each move accurate, steady, and frictionless. Have you ever dreamt of a lamp that could illuminate your space and adapt to your every need? Well, the Pinot Lampus is here to make your dreams come true. Want to capture stunning videos with professional lighting? Simply set your phone and Pinot Lampus will intelligently follow your face, ensuring you shine in every shot. Plus, you can choose a specific color, and the lamp will track objects of that color while ignoring others. With a 5V2A output, you can wirelessly charge your compatible phone on your lamp while enjoying the perfect light for everything on the table. Are you tired of the never-ending struggle to keep your fields meticulously maintained? The Prima Campano is the world's first robot that offers users an economically viable alternative to manually de-leafing tomato crops. This enables autonomous leaf cutting in horticulture to be possible 24/7. At a weekly range of 1 hectare, smart algorithms and proprietary N effector guarantee over 85% effectiveness. But there's more. Campano seamlessly integrates into your existing workforce, working alongside your staff to handle labor-intensive tasks while allowing you to fine-tune its operations to your specific requirements. Unlock a new era of farming excellence with Campano now. Picture a world where your home not only offers security, but also astonishes you with unmatched convenience and entertainment. The Amazon Echo Show 10 has a 10.1 HD screen that moves with you, keeping video calls, recipes, and your favorite shows always in view. You can make video calls or take pictures with the 13 megapixel camera that features auto framing and motion detection to ensure that you are always in the frame. You can also receive customized recipes daily, cook hands-free with step-by-step instructions, and add them to your grocery list. Privacy? Amazon has you covered with the mic to camera off button and a camera shutter. Thanks for staying tuned. We hope you are excited as we are to see the future. And if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more informative content. And of course, we'd love to hear from you too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.